Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I'm going to present my expected trading zones for the week of September 23rd, 2018 for the natural gas futures, the next future direction they may take during upcoming week. So first let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures during the same season in 2017, I mean last year, where the natural gas futures were moving in a 4-hour chart amid the same support and resistance levels. This is the chart which I've prepared for you to explain about the similarities between the moves in a season. So here you can see that since September 1st, here you can see that how steep were the moves in natural gas futures when it started above 200 DMA. Here we can see that a steep upward move was there from the levels of $2.937 straight up to $3.067, where it faced a little bit of resistance and started to move a little downward, and once again we found support in natural gas futures twice on September 10th and 11th 2017, and natural gas futures started to take an upward move in the same manner which we can witness a few days back in 2018. Or I will say that the current move, if we will look at the current move in a 4-hour chart till September 21st, you will find a lot of similarity in this move, and I find that this will be the moving patterns of natural gas futures during the days ahead. Even in the month of October, no doubt that we will see a range bound movement in natural gas futures from this first support level, which comes to $2.888, where the natural gas futures find good support and try to move upward with a steep direction. And here you can see in a second chart, this is a chart in which I have analyzed the movement of natural gas futures during the year 2017 from October 15 to December 2017. Here you can see that after coming down below the levels of 200 days moving average, natural gas futures remained under pressure and finally found a good support at weekly support levels. And here you can notice one more thing during this period from October 15 to November, that we may see gap up openings in this chart and sharp moves on the upper side and well on the downside too, amid the same support and resistance levels which I have mentioned in my current chart. So this will be the weekly resistance level in pink color, and this is my daily resistance levels. And I find that, friends, we will see the same moves during the upcoming days in 2018, because one factor is most important to be considered before taking a position in natural gas, that our every order must be accompanied with a stop loss order, because movement may be too sharp to be predicted on any side. I will say it may be on the upper side and it may be on the downside. So we must have a knowledge of main support levels and the resistance levels before taking any position. So this is the current chart of natural gas futures from August 6 to September 21st, 2018. Here you can see that natural gas futures started to move upward from the levels of $2.845 in September 6 and faced first resistance at the level of $2.956. No doubt natural gas futures tried to cross this resistance many times till 19th August, and on 20th August they moved upward but found a stiff resistance at weekly resistance levels at $2.989. They tried to sustain at these levels but could not and moved downward till these levels, and once again they started to move upward, but a lot of selling pressure was there. So natural gas futures started their downward move and found a good support at 200 days moving average. Sharp bounce back was there, but on the first trading session of September, we witnessed a gap down opening and the natural gas futures remained under pressure, and even they moved below 200 days moving average and continuously moved downward till the level of $2.745 before moving ahead. And from September 9th to September 15th, they remain in a very compact area, and now I can see that a gap in a 4-hour chart here on September 16th made me too convincing about the beginning of an up move in natural gas futures. Therefore, I emphasize the strength of the natural gas bulls in my every analysis on natural gas, which you have seen in my last analysis, that this uptrend may continue in natural gas futures. In one of my last analysis, I constructed this decisive zone for the natural gas futures. Here you can see that natural gas futures touch the upper end of this zone and the lower side of this decisive zone too. And after taking a good support at these levels, natural gas futures started to move upward once again and touched the weekly resistance here at $2.989, and here you can see that they moved downward, but once again they tried to cross this weekly resistance levels and finally closed here at the level of $2.979, which makes the situation in favor of natural gas bulls. And I find that natural gas futures may see a gap up opening on the first trading session on September 23rd, 2018. Now I would like to explain these moves of natural gas in my final chart. Here you can see the movement of natural gas futures in a daily chart, how the natural gas futures started their first downward move in February 2018 in a very steep manner, and after taking support at $2.838, they move upward, but the overall trend was upward till mid of June, from where they started to move downward till the end of July. And in the first week of August, once again natural gas bulls provided good support to natural gas futures. Despite the beginning of injection season, we have seen a lot of action in natural gas futures till the current levels. Here you can see that after touching the level of $2.967, natural gas futures move downward, and once again here we can see that natural gas have come back in action since last few trading session, and now they are trying to move upward with a steep upward move. And I find that their directional move will be amid this zone, amid this uptrend lines which I have drawn in this daily chart. Secondly, as I have already explained in my last analysis about these zones, that this is fresh buying zone, this is bearish zone, this is consolidation zone, this is breakout zone in blue color, in sky blue color. So let us have a look at the same chart in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures were testing the accuracy of these zones. After taking support in this bearish zone at these levels, below this zone I have marked this fresh buying zone. So bulls were there to provide a good support, and natural gas futures witnessed a bounce back after touching this zone and came back up to these levels, from where they came a little downward but found a good support and good buying above this zone, and once again they move upward with a steep move and tried to touch 200 days moving average, but faced a lot of resistance at 200 DMA and moved downward, but finally found support once again on this bearish zone at the here. And since then, since September 15, we have seen a good steep upward move in natural gas futures, till the current levels, where we have already come over 200 days moving average. Even we have crossed this uptrend line and we are trading above this downward sloping resistance, and I find that natural gas futures may see a gap up opening on the first trading session, or on the other hand, if we find a opening at the same levels, we will see a consolidation from this level to this level. Natural gas may consolidate till the next breakout occurs on September 24th. We will find a new breakout, which will bring natural gas futures in a new trading zone above this level, where the natural gas futures will see good part in short covering rallies above the level of $3.057, which will be our first target. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this video and share this channel with your more and more friends. Thank you.